Hey everybody, welcome back. This is one of the tooling setups that you can get through Snapmaker. If you get the CNC bits in the 5-pack, which I did, this is what comes in the package right here. I was able to get my other camera set up. Sorry about the other one. I know the quality was not great, but I was just showing the parts. So here is the pack for the 5 bits. It looks like this. Just open them up. We'll just do a quick overview on what each one of them is. I have this one right here. This is the ball end mill. Shank diameter is 3.175 millimeters. Let's take it out. First one. Second one we have here, we have a flat end mill. Shank diameter is the same size. Try to get this to focus a little bit better. It's not going to. That's the flat end mill. We have another one here. We'll go over the differences on these in a minute. I'm just showing you what it comes with. This is a flat end mill as well. This guy here is the V-bit. Now what these are, there's a flat end mill double fluted, there's a flat end mill single fluted, a flat end mill single flute. The difference between the two, one has a cutting diameter of 3.175, the other one has a cutting diameter of 1.5 millimeters. There is the ball end mill, and then the V-bit is for carving wood. So these are the 5 tools that you will get with it. I'll leave a link in the description on how to find these if you're interested. And that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned, I'll have another video up soon.